Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can send money from Wise to Philippines bank account. So it is pretty simple and easy to do. Just open up your app, click on the payments right here. As you can see, click on the payments, like near the payments on the send button. Here you'll need to select Philippines currency. After that, you will need to select find on Wise or enter bank details. So whatever you have, if you have Wise tag, email or mobile number, you can enter it right here. If you don't have it and just have bank details, click on bank details. And after that, you'll need to select who's your recipient, so someone else. And here, if you clicked on bank details, you want to select right here IBAN. By clicking that, you can select IBAN or SWIFT code, enter all the details that are required, and that's pretty much it. That's how you send money to Philippines bank account. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.